Hello, hello, friends today. Let's mix colors, hip, hip, hooray. Shake it, spin it, 1, 2, 3. Magic colors you will see. Red and yellow in the air. Mix them gently, mix with care. Swish, swish, round and round. Watch the magic color found. Red and yellow, what do we see? Orange, orange, 1, 2, 3. Bright and happy like the sun. Orange color, so much fun. Mix, mix, mix it now. Orange splash.
Wow, wow, wow.
Take some red and take some green. Stir it up and keep it clean. Spin it faster, don't slow down. Magic making chocolate brown. Red and green go round and round. Look what color we just found. Brown, brown, yummy sound. Chocolate color all around. Clap, clap, mix it down. Splash, splash, it's slime. Now some red and white so bright. Mix them softly, nice and light. Swirl it slowly, watch it blink. Here comes pretty little pink. Red and white shine so bright. Pink, pink, what a sight. Cute and lovely, soft and sweet. Pink color can't be beat. Swish, swish, blink, blink. Splash, splash, it's pink. Mixing colors is so cool. Learning colors is the rule.
2,
Orange, brown,
1.
and pink today. More
3,
fun
2,
colors
1.
on the way.
Great counting.
Splash, splash, everywhere. Colors flying in the air. Mimi Momo say with cheer. See you soon, my friends, right here.
Please like, share, and subscribe.